Jai Shri Ram everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Desi Madam. My name is Rita and how are you doing guys? I hope you all guys are doing absolutely fine. So friend, I have received a comment in my comment section and the comment is that ma'am please make a video on on the topic of daily routine. Okay, so that's why I am going to take you through my daily routine which helped me to stay productive, organized, on top of my tasks throughout the day. But before going into the video, I would like to suggest you some things. So all the things you should remember while you are going to tell a daily routine with someone. Okay, so the very first thing is that you should remember, you should use only simple present tense, like I eat, I go, I come, I sleep. Okay, so these all are the example of simple present tense because we are doing the repeatedly work, we are doing the work which we generally do every day, daily basis work. So this shows us a habit, or when we tell about any habit, so we have to use only simple present tense. Okay, the fun part of here is that there is only one subject and that is I means you, your daily routine. Okay, the second part is that I have many friends and whenever they talk about their daily routine, so they generally use after that, after that, after that. Don't do that, okay? Because there are many words you can use, different word like often, usually, sometimes, then, after that. Okay, don't use continuously after that, after that, after that. When your first sentence complete and you use after that, don't use. You have to use some different words like usually, sometimes, when, often. Okay, now, so these are some points that you should remember while telling your daily routine. Okay, so in today's video I'm going to tell you my daily routine, and after listening this video, please try to create your daily routine. Please try to create your daily routine and please try to speak it out loud. If you have someone, then good, very good. You can tell your daily routine with someone. Okay, and if you have no one, don't worry. You should tell your daily routine with yourself. Okay, so these are some points that I wanted to share with you in this video. Without any further delay, let's get into the topic. But before going to the topic, it's my humble request to all of you, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, so please do subscribe my channel, because this thing gives me boost to create more and more valuable content for you every day. So watch the video right till then, don't skip the video. Okay friends, so let's get into the topic. So my daily routine is here. I generally wake up around 5 a.m. in the morning. So I generally stay in bed for some time. Then I rub my palm and place them on my face, as I know that it transfers energy and even it stimulates the blood circulation, waking up the senses, make me relax, and also glow my skin due to the moisturizing effect. After that, I pray to God for this another beautiful day. Then I check my phone whether there is any calls, any urgent calls or messages. Around 5:15 a.m., I leave my bed and I head to the kitchen. Then I warm some water. I drink a glass of warm water. It keeps me hydrated throughout the day. Before going to the washroom, I wash my face, brush my teeth, then I go to the washroom. Within half an hour, I freshen up, I take a shower and get dressed. Then I worship God. Around 7 a.m., I make brunch and I make two tiffin, one myself, and second my husband, because both are working. Around 7:15 I leave my house for the school. So I go to the school around 7:52 and I stay there 7:50 to 2 p.m. So this is my school timing. There I teach some student, all the student which are in a class from 1 to 8th. So I teach all subject because I am a basic teacher. So I have to teach all the subject there. As I am a principal of that school, so I have to do my some paperworks which I have to do in a daily routine. Okay. After coming from the school, I generally come from the school around 2:30 p.m. Then I wash my feet, change my dress, and I make a cup of tea. Also, I take some snacks with tea. Then I relax some time. Okay, around 4 to 5 p.m. I generally do my practice, English speaking practice. I read some book, I listen some content in English, I make video, and also upload on YouTube. All the work happening between 4 to 5:15, you know. Then again I wash my feet, and in a summertime I take a shower. Okay, again I do worship. Around 7 p.m. I change my dress and do my exercise. So this is my exercise time. Okay, around 8:30 p.m. I make my dinner. There are 2 person in my family. My kid are preparing their exam, and they are out of my house. So they are living out of my house. So that's why in a present time there are only 2 person in the house. So that's why I make dinner for me and my husband. Then I confirm that all the switch are turned off, gas are turned off before going to the bed. So I generally watch all the things, all the windows and all the doors are switch off and turn off, gas turned off. Then I go to the bed around 9 to 9:30 p.m. Then I watch some TV shows, and also if I like to, I watch some movie, not for the whole movie but some part of the movie. I generally sleep around 10 or 10:30 p.m. So this is my whole daily routine, and I hope you like my daily routine. And with the help of this daily routine, you have to create your own daily routine and try to speak out with someone. If you have no one, don't worry, try to speak out with your with yourself. So I hope you can create your daily routine with the help of this daily routine, and I hope you got some inspiration from this routine. And if you did so please give it a like to share with your friends and family, and let me know in the comment box how did you like my video, because I love to read your comments. So friends, we will see you in the next video. Till then, Jai Siya Ram.